All right, we're pulling a little bit of honey. Just like on one of those last videos, I talked about a good indication when you see them bearding like that, and you go in your brood box and you see where they're starting to backfill in the brood comb where the queen's normally laying. They're putting a lot of nectar in there. That's a good indication that they're running out of room. So that hive was really full. I noticed that they had been bearding for a couple of days, so I pulled 3 supers off. This is my 3rd one, and apologize that I'm just now starting a video, but got overcast. It's been raining almost every day this week, so that's always a challenge. But you see how sweet these girls are. I hadn't had the first sting yet, so I'll probably get stung a dozen times since I say that. Shake them off. Got them over here cleaning this lid up. Put the frames in there. Get a little smoke. This frame here has a C on it. What that is that's cone honey. That's what I got. Got a couple of them. Right here's cone honey. That's cone honey. The C's kind of worn off of them, but that's a cone honey frame right there. So we'll just cut that out. Oh, it'll be beautiful. It's beautiful already. Beautiful. Look at that. You can see it through the light. Gorgeous. Sweet honeybees. Off. Can't shake them off too good with one hand, so let me set one of these down. We don't want it to fall. It's just beautiful stuff. Take them off. All right, y'all have a good day.